Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn your ordinary photo into a French vintage style portrait that's of classy and old Paris vibes using the Dreamface app. It's super easy and you can do it right from your phone. So let's jump right in. First, just open Dreamface app like this. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Play Store. And once installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, it has a free plans that give you weekly credits. That means you can generate a limited number of AI photos or videos every day without paying anything. Next, after you log in, you will see the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filters, and then just scroll down until you find the time machine sections. This one, time machine sections, just tap on it. This section is full of classic vintage style filters, and that's where the magic happens. Inside these sections, just look for the French vintage filters. This one, just tap on it. Next, just select the photo that you want to transform. It can be a selfie or maybe portrait or even a random picture that you like. And when you're done, select the photo, just tap on Animate. Okay, like this, in just a few moments you will see your new photo with that soft faded tone and then classic vibes like this with maybe a retro aesthetic, just like an old photo like this. And then when you love it, you can download it directly to your gallery. And okay, that's it. You have just created your own French vintage photo in a few easy steps. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.